Coder Agents gives developers a familiar chat interface with the models, skills, and MCP servers they need. But unlike cloud-hosted agent environments, it runs entirely on your own infrastructure, which provides the control and governance enterprises need. Source code remains on your infrastructure. There's no agent CLIs or harnesses to install, and no API keys in the agent's execution environment. Platform teams control which models are available, how they're accessed, and how much each team or user can spend. Coder Agents is model-agnostic, so you can connect Claude, GPT, Gemini, or your own open API-compatible self-hosted models. And every prompt, tool call, and model interaction is logged and attributed, giving you full visibility into developer and agent activity. So most AI coding tools today are embedded inside each development environment. That means the agent loop, API keys, execution environment, and developer workflow are tightly coupled together. But Coder Agents uses a different architecture. The agent loop runs separately in the coder control plane, while workspaces become network-isolated execution environments and are only provisioned when development work is actually required. That separation gives enterprises centralized governance, model control, and persistent background execution without embedding the agent directly inside the workspace itself. Coder Agents provides a chat UI that works interactively or runs tasks in the background. And a new agent session can be triggered programmatically using the Chats API from a CI/CD pipeline, webhook, or other automated workflow. Spending and usage reports are built in, making it easy to track overall spend. You get controls for managing model providers, available models, MCP servers, and setting spend and usage limits at the group or user level. Plus, you can still develop alongside the agent in Coder Workspace apps such as VS Code, Cursor, and other popular IDEs. Using the agent is straightforward. You choose your model, add any MCP tools relevant to the task, and supply your prompt. If code execution is required, the agent provisions its own workspace automatically. Here, I've prompted the agent to add an llms.txt file to the hdmx.org website based on an open issue from their repo. Once the agent is running, you can enable notifications so you're alerted once it's done or requires a response. Fast forwarding, the agent has completed its work. I can quickly review its changes by viewing the diffs in the sidebar, but to dig in a bit deeper and test the code myself, I'll open the workspace the agent provisioned by clicking the workspace name in the chat UI and select VS Code Desktop. I'll open a terminal, run the dev server with Zola Serve, then use the open port notification to view the site in the browser and request the llms.txt file. It looks good to me, so I'll ask the agent to create a pull request using a pull request skill that follows my defined conventions. And that's Coder Agents, self-hosted AI workflows for developers with the governance and control that platform teams need. Coder is free and open source. You can get started with the Community Edition today and explore Coder Agents at coder.com/agents.